So I hope you're getting, I want you to get your own domain name. I want you to remember what the domain name is and then have, I spelt microphone wrong here, look, that's why that didn't work. But here's the beauty of, and here actually is this section, Rebrandly versus Bitly, bit.ly. You can change stuff, right? You can edit it. I can edit, in fact, yes, edit branded link, microphone, right? So all of a sudden, this company sees that you've got a really proper, you've got a really good. So let's go, let's go to this URL, right? So this company is giving, Amazon's giving you 5% for this company, but all of a sudden, Boyer Mike, right? Boyer Mike. If we go Boyer Mike website, Boyer Mike may send you a message and say, hey, you get, I see that you've got a link to Amazon and they're probably giving you 5% commission, but it will give you an affiliate link to our website, and if you send anybody to our website, we'll give you 20% commission because we can cut Amazon out. No offense, Amazon. But like, so say this is the same thing. Now, this is the difference between Bitly and Rebrandly. On Bitly, you would need to be on an enterprise level platform, and they don't even tell you the pricing for that to do what you're about to do here. So this, say this is the same product as the Amazon. You're going to grab your, you're going to get your affiliate link off Boyer. They're going to say, put this link on that video that's getting 10,000 views. Go to the link that says microphone and change the destination. This is why I switched to Rebrandly. This feature alone. Save. Right? So now, when somebody clicks on PNUK, see how it's picked up the favicon different? Now on that video, so if I go back to that video, now when somebody clicks here, it takes me to the new URL, not the Amazon one. So it gives you the ability to change. So what also may happen is here you go Sony XV100, but then in a year's time you change your mind. But you don't want to go re-record, and you don't want people to go to the wrong link, and you don't have to go through and delete it. So you might say, no, the new video is Sony RX. Oh, here we go. So say it's the Sony RX. What's this, number 4? This is probably an older version. But again, you get your affiliate link, you copy it, you go back to Rebrandly, you go to your Sony RX 100, which is on the other video, and you change the destination. This is the coolest feature. This is why, like I said, I did it now without having to mess about. Because remember, in this video now, my link is in this corner down here in the video. So your link would be in this video. So you cannot change the video link that's on YouTube. But now, the same link takes you to the new product. Right? Really cool. You're getting paid 10%, 20%, whatever commission you're getting from the company that have provided you with a link. But rather than a crazy long link, rather than this being, I don't know, question mark, affiliate, link number 10, you're never going to remember that, but you will remember pnuk.co/microphone, if you spell it right. Right? That is the beauty. And you will be able to see your stats, even though I don't look at mine. And you're going to be able to edit your URLs. It's really cool.